I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling hardware and accounts. Insert an activated SIM into your mobile router or plug a 4G/5G USB modem into a small single-board computer. You do this because the router handles NAT and DHCP while the modem provides WAN. Connect the battery pack and power on. Once done, access the device's admin page via its default IP. Log in, change the default password, and set the APN from your carrier so the device can authenticate and receive a data connection. Now you configure the network services and harden access. On the admin page, set a clear SSID and strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase so devices can join securely. Make sure to enable DHCP and pick a non-default LAN subnet to avoid conflicts. Configure NAT and an outbound firewall. This ensures your devices share the single SIM IP safely. If you value privacy, enable the router's VPN client and route all traffic through it. Once set, reboot and finish by optimizing placement and verifying reliability. Place the router where cellular signal is strongest. Tilt or extend the antenna and run a speed test to confirm performance. Update firmware, export a configuration backup to the SD or USB drive, and set power-saving rules for the battery. If you lose connectivity, don't panic. Reboot the modem and router, confirm APN settings, and try the SIM in a phone to rule out carrier issues. If problems persist, swap cables and consult the router logs for modem errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.